Introducing the Saramonic SR-BH60 GamesMonic Wireless TWS Earbuds. True wireless stereo earbuds available in black or red. They have a sleek, head-turning look with premium sound quality and performance. Designed for the best possible sound experience when gaming, listening to music, and watching movies or videos. They deliver a full-frequency sound with enhanced bass while listening to music, an impactful theater-quality sound when watching movies and videos, and reactive and immersive sound for gaming, enhancing the experience. Designed with gamers in mind, just tap the earbud 3 times to enter gaming mode, giving you higher performance and an ultra-fast audio response, letting you hear the sound as it happens in the game for faster reaction and more precise gameplay. Play well with others? No problem. They feature an integrated built-in microphone for real-time in-game communication. But these headphones are not just for gaming. They're made for everyday use. They feature a patented ergonomic design for extreme comfort, ear tips with integrated earbud retainers, and an IPX5 waterproof rating, ensuring a secure, comfortable fit, allowing you to be fully active throughout the day without having to worry about them falling out or getting damaged while sweating during a workout, or getting caught in the rain. With up to 7 hours of battery life in music mode and 6 hours in gaming mode. They also include a portable 500 milliamp charging case for protection and power on the go, providing over 2 complete additional charges. They also feature the latest advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, giving you the best wireless features available with the newest devices, providing a quick and unbreakable Bluetooth connection, 4 times the range, and 8 times the data throughput of Bluetooth 4. With advanced volume, media player, and phone controls right on the earbuds, you don't have to pull out your device every time you want to turn it up or change tracks. Taking phone calls is just as easy. To pick up, simply tap either earbud, and to hang up, simply touch and hold. And the integrated mic features active DSP noise canceling to ensure crystal clear phone calls no matter where you are. The Saramonic SR-BH60 GamesMonic Wireless TWS Earbuds.